Hey there guys, and welcome back to the Miami Stainless YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to be giving you a tutorial on how to use the HS-08T hand swage tool. By the end of this video, I'm positive you'll be able to use this tool to confidently complete your DIY swaging jobs. This tool is very robust and suitable for small commercial balustrade jobs, and is simple enough for your DIY home renovator. If you do find yourself completing a larger job, we recommend using one of our bigger hydraulic swage presses or possibly our in-store service. All products you see in this video can be purchased online at miamistainless.com.au, or you can come down and view them for yourself in store. If you'd like to see us do any other products or instructional videos, just leave a suggestion in the comments section down below. Before we start, I'd just like to mention that this tool in particular is a hex die only press. So it's suitable for swaging something like swage studs, fork terminals, bottle screws, anything like that. Now in this scenario, we're going to be using some 6x35 swage studs and some 3.2 1x19 wire. First of all, what you want to do is you want to get your HS-08T, turn the dial to the on position and make sure it is tight. Then position your tool so you can see your swage. I like to firstly bring up the pressure onto the swage stud just until it grips it slightly. Make sure your swage stud is flush with the end of the dies. This allows you to insert the wire easily and freely and ensure that it's all the way at the end of the stud to not mess up any further measurements. Then all you need to do is start applying pressure to the tool until you hear a pop. Now once you finish your first press, release the pressure, turn the dial back to the on position, ensure it's tight. Move down the stud so it's in line with the last press, reapply the pressure and complete your second swage. Release the pressure and there's the finished product. If you found this video useful, please give us a like, and if there are any other instructional tutorials or products you'd like to see a video on, leave us a comment down below. Thank you so much again for joining us today. And don't forget to subscribe to the Miami Stainless YouTube channel to be notified when new videos have been released. Thank you.